Hello, my name is Emilio, and next I talk about cause of stroke. Physical hair loss. The affected person begins to present alopecia in the stage of great extension, becoming a more worrying situation. Desire to rest and be able to fulfill their work obligation. In the family environment, lack of communication, the affected person begins. In the family environment, ceasing to pay attention to communication and family integration, without caring about the normal development and coexistence of the family. Friend environment. Discrimination. Many times the affected person begins to impose their ideas and gets upset by the lack of recognition, believing that they do not want to take it into account, to the point of discrimination. The school environment. Bullying. Given the lack of education and culture of certain student groups, they come to make comments that ridicule certain classmates in a very impulsive way, such a physical aspect, without calculating the expectation that they produce to said individual, who comes to manifest important checks in behavior. Fatigue, business goals, and the desire to survive in the market in a successful way makes the exaggerably demand the members of a corporation to achieve almost untimely goals, placing such high pressure on the responsible members that they become pathological. The stress cause. It is an emotional tension that affects the hypothalamus and of its glands responsible of produce hormones that control the behavior of the individual. Manifestation itself in the physical and emotional and physiological changes called by some authors the disease of the 21st century.